Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how I monetized a YouTube channel in 5 weeks from posting my first video with 9 videos on the channel. I'm going to show you how I did it, but also show you a method that no one is talking about but is so important and will work on any YouTube channel. When I launched my channel, it was in a niche that already had lots of content with channels that were big players with over 1 million subscribers. They could easily post a video and get 40,000 to 80,000 views in the first few days. You might think that this meant that the niche was saturated, and I too thought that in the beginning, but I also thought with all this demand there were plenty of people who were looking for content, and also I had an approach that no one was talking about. I make these videos to show you real ways of how to make money, whether it be a regular daily income, making money online, or passive income, and to find tried and tested methods that will increase your financial well-being. If you're interested in making multiple incomes, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Now, let's go. The first thing I did was to devise a plan which looked like this. Number 1, learn about how to create and upload videos. Number 2, understand how YouTube would present my videos for viewing. Number 3, understand the key metrics to optimize my videos and the channel. Number 4, identify any tools or AI that help me to optimize and also to close my knowledge gaps. Number 5, apply something from my previous career to YouTube videos that no one seemed to be talking about. And number 6, finally, I would set a goal to upload my first 10 videos as fast as I could. Right, now I had a plan, time to put it into action. Number 1, learn about how to create and upload videos. When I started my first channel, I had no video editing experience at all and couldn't afford to pay people to do it for me. I had no skill in creating thumbnails, and again, I couldn't pay anyone to do this. So I had a steep learning curve to go through and to do all the hard work myself. I would have to learn how to use the tools of the trade during the creation of my first 10 videos. Once I had them completed, then I would review the process and look to optimize it and make it quicker while at the same time delivering high quality output. My only option was to use free video editing software and free online design tools for both video and thumbnails. For no other reason than they were free and had good reviews, I chose DaVinci Resolve for the video editing and Canva for the thumbnails. Number 2, understand how YouTube would present my videos for viewing. I researched how YouTube makes content available. There are 3 main ways that YouTube offers up content to people to see if they will click on it to view it. The first one is via search. This is where people search for topics on YouTube in the search bar and then are presented with videos for them to click on. The second one is through browse. This is where YouTube places videos on the homepage when people go to the YouTube website. The videos presented are based on their previous searches and history. The third main one is suggested videos. When people watch videos on YouTube, then YouTube will make suggestions of videos down the right hand side of the screen for the individual to watch. All of these ways YouTube presents videos to the public are allowing being able to identify your target audience for your videos. This is where the keywords come in. It is important to include relevant keywords in the title, description and tags for the video that will drive the video to the correct audience. Making sure the keywords are relevant to your video is hugely important for YouTube to understand what it is about and present it to the right people. Number 3, understand the key metrics to optimize my videos and channel. There are some key metrics to focus on in building a YouTube channel. The first one we'll look at is click-through rate. Once YouTube has presented your video to someone, then they will or won't click on it to view it. The number of people who do click on your video to watch is called the click-through rate. YouTube says that 80% of videos have a click-through rate of 5% or less, so if you target a click-through rate of 6% or more, then you are above 80% of videos on YouTube. Ensuring that your videos have an appealing title and an eye-catching thumbnail are key to someone clicking on the video and increasing your click-through rate. YouTube is a business, and its key way of making money is through people both watching and clicking on adverts. They get paid by advertisers to place adverts on content on the platform, and the more adverts that people watch and click on, then the more money YouTube will make. This means that their primary goal is to keep people on the platform as long as possible and watching as many videos as possible. There are two key metrics on your videos that reflect this. The first one is audience retention. This is a measure of the length of time people watch your video from its start. As the video progresses, the higher the percentage, then the more people are watching your video at that point in time. You want to aim for 75% or more for the first minute and 50% or more throughout the rest of the video. If you hit these two numbers, then your video will go viral. The second of these metrics is session time. This is the amount of time that people spend watching the videos on your channel. So, for example, if someone watches a video to the end and then clicks on another of your videos, this increases the session time. The YouTube algorithm loves session time, and the best way to maximise it is by putting links to your other videos in the end screen and links to videos in your descriptions. Also, make sure you have playlists on themes or topics so people can go in and watch the videos in your playlist if they are interested in that particular topic. This also will increase your session time. Number 4. Identify any tools or AI that help optimise and close my knowledge gaps. Now that I understood the metrics, I looked around for tools to help me optimise them and give me the best chance for the most views. Having done some research, there was a clear winner. It is vidIQ. This is an all-in-one solution that plugs into your channel and uses YouTube's data to analyse your channel and its videos, and then uses AI to suggest optimization settings and even gives you suggestions for videos in your niche that should perform well. I have used it now on several channels, and it is a key tool, especially as it works real time when you are uploading videos to optimize them before you publish them. I have put a link in the description below for a free trial if you would like to try it out. Number 5. Utilise something from my previous career on YouTube videos that no one seemed to be talking about. One of the main things with YouTube is to provide content that is engaging and solves a problem for the viewer. This could be either on how to do something or even just to entertain them and make them laugh. They have a need, and your videos need to engage them and meet their need. However, the million-dollar question is this: what is their need? I remembered in my job that I had used something called personas when designing a solution for users of a product or service, so I thought I would give it a go for my YouTube channel. A persona is a fictional character that represents a specific segment of a target audience. It's a detailed profile that includes characteristics like age, occupation, interests and behaviours. The idea is to create a realistic representation of a typical member of an audience to help understand and cater for their needs and preferences. For example, the persona of a YouTube viewer might be Tech Savvy Tim. Tim is a 20-year-old software engineer who loves staying updated with the latest technology trends. He spends about 2 hours daily on YouTube, primarily watching tech reviews, tutorials and industry news. Tim values clear, concise information and often engages with content by leaving comments and sharing videos with his friends. This persona helps content creators or marketers understand what kind of content Tim and similar viewers would find appealing and how to get the best out of engaging with them. By drawing up some personas of my target audience, I asked myself, what questions are they asking and what answers do they need? This gave me a good understanding of what content to make in my videos and who to target. Taking the time to do this really helped me to write content for people and not just an algorithm. The final part of my plan was to create, upload and optimise 10 videos onto my channel. My starting point was to look at those channels that were already successful and see what topics they were covering to identify which topics I would choose to make videos about. I picked the 3 biggest channels and looked at their content over the most recent months to get some ideas. I also made sure the topic was evergreen. Evergreen means something that will still be popular in years to come and therefore provide long-term passive incomes. 3 weeks after uploading my first video, I was uploading my 9th, and it was this video that took off. 2 weeks later, I was monetized. YouTube is a real business and today still offers lots of opportunities to make money. It was part of my overall plan to have a few channels that develop passive incomes along with my portfolio of other income streams. So, I hope you've enjoyed and got a lot of value out of today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.